Welcome to Alikare, and this is Thea. Today I'm going to do a review on the tea tree oil, hair oil. So this is what it looks like. Smells great. This tea tree oil, one of the reasons why I'm doing a review on it, it's because it's good for people who have dandruff, dry scalp, itchy scalp. It's good for you, and if you have eczema. One of the reasons why it's so good is because it's strong with tea tree oil, and if you have tea tree oil otherwise from that, you can also put it in it just for more if you have bad dandruff. Meaning bad dandruff as in dry dandruff, because you know that if you have wet dandruff, you need to see a doctor and have it treated and get some medicated shampoo, okay, and antibiotics. So this tea tree oil hair dress, it leaves the hair very shine and silky. And this tea tree oil, it's good for natural hair, it's good for processed hair, and it's good for your weave. It doesn't leave any build up, and it's very soft and leave the hair very feeling smooth and silky. It also have a nice smell, and it doesn't itch. You know, it takes care of itching. Some hair oil, when you put them in your hair and when you sweat, it starts to itch because of the oil, and sometimes the oil sweat down, and if you sweat inside your hair, the oil will sweat down on your hairline here, causing your face to have little breakup, little bumps around here. So that's what I mean by it doesn't itch. So it's really good to use in all type hair. This is not an ad, this is just review on some of the products that I use in my salon. So this is one of them. I use tea tree oil hair dress, and this brand is ORS. I don't know what that means, but it says ORS, and yeah, you can get it locally and overseas also. If you have any request for any review on any product, you can also comment it below. If I don't use it, I will go and use it and give you my honest opinion about the product. And remember to shop at alikare.club. Find me on the IG at THEA. See you on the next video.